Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and it has been a while since I've uploaded a video here on the channel, but it's January 2019, so you know what that means, it's the top Android icon packs of the month. Now for quite some time now, I've been using my Google Pixel 2 XL just as a standard Pixel. I haven't been using any custom launcher, widgets, icon packs, I've been using it completely stock. However, there are a ton of new icon packs available, so let's take a look. And first up we have the Borealis icon pack. Now this is a really nice icon pack with a ton of custom icons. You've got just over 12,000 custom icons, so chances are if you've got an app on your device, it's definitely going to be covered. You've also got 48 cloud wallpapers and you've got the option for icon request. However, like I say, with that amount of icons, you may not necessarily need to use that feature. These icons are going to look great with pretty much any setup. Now do keep in mind that they are quite colourful, however they're not very highly saturated, which I know sounds a little contradictory, but they've got a lot of colour to them. However, on something like an AMOLED screen, they don't necessarily pop as much as I would like them to. However, if you're looking for a really simple, square but rounded design, then you can't go wrong with this icon pack. And as with all of the icon packs, they're all linked in the description below. Next up, and my personal favourite on the list, is the Korvy icon pack. You've got just over 2,800 custom icons, 30 cloud wallpapers, and you'd also have some widgets included as well for custom and also Super widget with 13 and 11 widgets respectively. The colours on this icon pack are very similar to the last one that we've looked at. Again, not as saturated as I would like them to be, however they do have a really nice neon colour palette to them. Now it definitely shows in regards with the wallpapers that are within the icon pack themselves. A lot of them are very low contrast or very dark wallpapers as well, so again that it can actually show off the icons themselves on a slightly darker wallpaper, and again I think that's where these wallpapers definitely shine. Here on this bright wallpaper that's got a ton of colour to it, as you can see, they kind of get a little bit drowned out, so again I would definitely recommend a darker wallpaper with this particular icon pack. Next up we have the Linebit icon pack, and for me this is my least favourite on the list, but not because I don't actually like the icons, it's just because they are very unique that they're only really going to look good on certain setups and if you really are into customizing your Android device. Now you're only going to get around 1,700 custom icons, 22 wallpapers as well, so you don't really have a ton to play around with, and as you can see here on a wallpaper like the one I'm using at the moment, they definitely just fade away into nothingness. You're going to have to use a really dark wallpaper, but it could look really nice with some awesome neon icons as well. So again, definitely do keep that in mind. If you've seen my previous video on my Black Panther setup using Nova Launcher, this would definitely be a great icon pack to use. So again, it's not that I don't like them, it's just they're a little bit too out there for an everyday setup. Next up we have the, I'm going to say Orioles icon pack, a kind of mix of Oreo and circles in my opinion, but again what you get with this icon pack is a very nice but also very unique look to it as well. You've got a standard white icon like something you'd find on a very minimal icon pack, and then you just have a coloured dot behind it that is one of the main colours from that icon itself. So as you can see, WhatsApp for example has a green dot, and then YouTube would have a red dot as well, so again it makes it a little bit easier to identify the actual icons themselves, which can get a little bit complicated the more custom the icons get. And while these icons do look nice, you're only getting around 1,300 icons, no wallpapers whatsoever, so again you're not really getting a ton with this icon pack, and for me I would really only be using these icons for maybe the bottom row or just on the dock of my device itself. I wouldn't really be using them system wide, as for me I just don't think there's enough there. But it's still quite a unique icon pack. And last up then we have the Pineapple icon pack. Now for me, I was a huge fan of Material Design back in the day, maybe around the days of the Nexus 5 for example, but Material Design has slowly dipped off in my opinion, and Google's slightly changing the way that they're doing things on their devices, so this kind of harkens back to the day of Material Design, really bold, really bright and also really big icons as well that pretty much will suit any setup that you're going to be rocking. You're going to be getting around 1,200 icons in total with 12 cloud wallpapers, and they're quite high resolution at 256 by 256, so again on a QHD display like this one here, they're going to look extremely nice, very bright, very vibrant. For me though, there are a ton of icons that are missing. Out of the 82 apps that I've currently got installed, just over half, 44 apps are actually going to be missing, so I hope that they keep updating the icons. And that is going to do it, guys, for the top Android icon packs of January 2019. Now I'm going to be doing one of these videos every single month, so make sure that you let me know in the comments section down below what favourite icon packs you're currently using at the moment, whether they're brand new, up and coming, or even if they're old favourites. Let me know and I'll be sure to check them out in a future video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, now is a great time to do so. It's the start of the year. I've got some awesome plans ready for the next 12 months in regards to awesome videos that are going to be coming out. So again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you're notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And again, if you've got any questions, comments, or if you just want to say hi, then let me know in the comments section down below. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, welcome to 2019, and I will catch you guys in the next video.